Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable email notifications for posts on your Facebook timeline. This feature ensures you stay updated whenever someone posts on your timeline. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and from the expanded menu, select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Notifications section. Under this category, tap on More Activity About You. This is where you can customize how Facebook notifies you about activities related to your account. In this section, you'll see various notification options. Look for the email toggle and switch it on. This will activate email notifications for posts on your timeline. And that's it. You've successfully enabled email notifications for timeline posts. With this setting turned on, you'll receive an email every time someone posts on your Facebook timeline, keeping you informed and in control. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. See you next time.